We're going to show you today how to change a ribbon. This is a Smith Corona Sterling. I do have gloves on. This is one that we have listed currently, so we've already got a new ribbon in it. But we're going to just show you how to change this. Our ribbons have a lot of ink on them, so I put gloves on to keep the ink from getting everywhere. So to undo it, you just pull the ribbon up on both sides, and you can literally just pull the ribbon right out of the guides. And that's your new ribbon. So here you can see this is a ribbon guide on the left side. You've got a ribbon guide on the right side. We put this back in. The ribbon's just going to go down in the guide, and then it's going to go in between the little metal pieces here on your ribbon guide. Always make sure your black goes up, red's down. And all of our ribbons we do for our typewriters, I hand spool these, so it's always a brand new ribbon, and we put a little extra ribbon on it to fill it up. And again, it goes in both sides. It goes in the guides there. And you just take it and you put it right in between the guides here in the middle. And then sometimes you just have to kind of slide it down and work its way in. And there it's in. And then I just pull it tight. And that's how you change a ribbon on a Smith Corona Sterling.